So hello guys, you can see in my top screen this is a fantastic and a very modern and effective design. So it is a logo design. So it is very simple, but it is very nice and very good job. So dear friend, don't go far, just stay with me and watch my video, then you can learn something from here. So I'm gonna don't waste my words, just I'm gonna starting, stay with me and you try just with my video. So start from the beginning. So what was it? I needed it now here just for a little bit small. It will be more better to do. So I needed to a little bit smaller here. Just I'm keeping here just like that. This one just I'm selecting here for the color because it will be more effective just before I prepare it for the color. So what should I select first? I need to go to the this it is ellipse tool. First of all, you pressing here, then you can see many tools here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 tools. So which one will take? This ellipse tool, yes, I press here, then I will start in the center. You see which the center, you can see here is showing center. So I'm starting from here, yes, like that. It will be good. Yes, yes, exactly. It will be more better. So what should I do? I need this a color. This doesn't matter. I can change the color. Just it is showing, no problem. You you see guys, it's very nice. So I'm gonna starting. What should I do? I need now this one, copy and paste. What should I? How should I? Short. How should I follow this short? Press Ctrl and C and Ctrl F. That means it's coming. You see how is it coming. After pressing Shift key, then I will just like that. You see how is centering. You see? Oh my god. Yes, fantastic. Right here. Just taking few seconds. It's no matter. Jennifer, you can do it very easily. So what should I do? I need a little bit here to do the more better. So what should I do? I need to press Shift key. Then it just oh shit. It's okay. I again select, then pressing Shift key and a little bit here, a little bit. Yes, you see how fantastic. So what should I do? I need to just cut this one middle side, and I need it like that. Just keep this one. So what should I do? I need now select all the things, and what should which tool? This one, shape builder tool. Yes, press E. And what should I do? I need to press Alt. Then just keep here. Oh my god, it's fantastic. It's very nice. So what should I do? I need to back to this one, shape tool. And what should I do? I need to back to the by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Yes, how is your result? Just see. Now what should I do? I need to press the Shift key and I just like that it is. Oh shit. What should I do? I need to just like that. Yes, I need it now. This one. Just angle it. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. not like that. Yes, now it's doing, yeah, right here. My computer something's wrong. Yeah, now you see how it's done. Now what should I do? I need it just a little bit here. Oh shit, like that. Oh, it's so many. That means one is okay. No problem. I can do this one. I can do this one like that. I need a sounder. I need a sounder. Okay. So what should I do? I need a little bit. Just put it here. I need a little bit. Then I put it in sounder. Yes. You see. Exactly this one. Exactly like that. What should I do? I need now here. Just to check the color. What should I do? I need a new color. This one is okay, but this one I needed to change the color. What should I do? I need a new color. Go to the and go this one. Yes, you see right here. Now I needed this one, that one, then this something written here. I need a new pen tool. So typing tool. Go to the typing tool here. Press here, and what should I do? I need to know here, right here. Yes, it's very fast and very fantastic. Great job, great job. Yeah, what should I do? I need to double click here and just so I need now. What should I need? I need now just type here. What should I type? Yen, yen. No. Yes, yes, exactly. Right here. What I need just now, I need for the copy this one. I needed to copy because I needed this also typing. So right here, I needed to color change. What color? This color. So this I need it now. And dropper 2, go to the and gray. Yes, and click here. Middle side, keep this middle side. Yes, middle side. So what should I do? I need this one again. I need something here. Double click here and the writing. Which should I write? Which the center? Yen Corporation. So what I write here? Yen Corporation. Oh my god, how this thing like that corporation. So I need to little bit here something little bit, yes, like that. I need a little bit and put it here just a little bit like that, more a little bit here. Yes, a little bit. Okay, that's fine. So what should I do? I need it here. You see this one. Yeah. Then I need to go to the rectangle tool. Yes. I start from here. I need to start from here. Yes, I need it like that. Yeah, I think that's fine. That's fine. And I needed to copy this one. Like that. Yes, you see. Exactly. Just I needed to color change. What color I need? Just this color. Okay. And this one I needed to color this like that. I needed this one. Yes, how fantastic. And I needed this one color change. Which one? I needed this one. Yes, you see guys, how is very nice. It's tone difference here, but This is very nice. And what should I do? I need now to group all the things so that I can make do this one. Yes, now I have done. Great job. Just takes 6 minutes. It's very small, very simple, very good job. So thanks for watching.